West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who was allegedly pushed by unknown miscreants while campaigning for West Bengal Assembly elections in Nandigram, has suffered severe bone injuries in her left ankle and foot, right shoulder, forearm and neck, a senior doctor of the state-run SSKM hospital said in a medical bulletin. The ruling AIADMK on Wednesday finalized the distribution of constituencies to two of its allies, the BJP and the PMK, and released its second list of candidates for 171 seats. 3 ministers and 44 sitting MLAs' names did not figure in the list. Farmers' unions have called for a nationwide strike on March 26 when their ongoing protest at Delhi borders will complete 4 months, announcing their future programs protesting the 3 agriculture laws enacted by Parliament in 2020. The Farmers' Union said that some trade unions will also join them in their protest against fuel price hike on March 15th. The first case of the South African COVID-19 strain has been found in Karnataka, the State Health Department said in its bulletin on Wednesday. So far, total of 29 people have tested positive for the UK strain in the state. According to the state government, 64 UK returnees and their 26 primary contacts have tested positive during RT-PCR tests. Facing heat over Assistant Police Inspector Vaze's alleged link to Hiran's mysterious death, the government earlier on Wednesday announced his transfer from the Mumbai Crime Branch. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Wednesday said the guilty in the Mansukh Hiran death case will be punished, but police officer Sachin Vaiz should not be targeted until his alleged involvement is established. First Shahi Snan or Royal Bath of Kumbh Mela 2021 is being held on the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri 2021 in Haridwar on Thursday. This will also be the first Shahi Snan of Kumbh Mela 2021. As per the Kumbh Mela schedule of major events, 4 Shahi Snan and 9 Ganga Snan will take place at Haridwar this year. Military-to-military cooperation, defense trade, the Indo-Pacific region and the situation in Afghanistan are expected to be on the agenda during US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin's 3-day visit to India next week. This will be the first visit to India by a senior member of the Biden administration, which is looking to ramp up the relationship with India, both bilaterally and within the framework of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or Quad, against the backdrop of China's assertive action in the region. Malayalam superstar Mohanlal received his first dose of COVID-19 vaccination at a hospital in Kochi on Wednesday. The actor shared the news with fans on his social media accounts, posting a picture of himself getting vaccinated on Instagram. Mohan captioned, "Took the first shot of COVID vaccine from Amrita Hospital." The actor also thanked the medical fraternity and the Government of India. After leading India to a 3-1 series win against England, wicketkeeper batsman Rishabh Pant and veteran off-spinner moved up on the ICC Test player rankings. Pant moved up to the 7th spot in ICC Test batting ranking, while Ashwin now sits at the 2nd spot in bowlers ranking. Virat Kohli 5th, Rohit Sharma 7th and Jasprit Bumrah 10th are the other Indians in top 10 rankings in their respective fields.